We're going to check now how to insert the text. Here we are with the video. We're putting videos together. We're going to add text. Very simple. Make sure you don't, if you do this, if you tap on the video, you will not see these features down here. So you have to tap somewhere out. Let's press the text. With the text options, you can play around a little bit with them. You can add stickers. You have text. You will have to pick your whichever option do you like. So let's just say I'm going to write something very quickly just to show you how it works. And then you can go to the font. You can pick the fonts. Make sure you don't pick the Pro fonts. There are many basic fonts that you can use that are not Pro, like as we discussed before. You can pick the style. You can just explore a little bit. You can pick effects. Again, avoid the Pro versions. You can also choose the animation. It can do so many things. Let's say you want it to type, you want it to zoom in, something like that. You also have the bubble text versions or options that you can also play around with. Okay, so now we have the text. One thing you can learn about how to add the text in the video in CapCut is that you can always tap on it, hold it, and then you can move it around through the video. If you want the text to start here, not here, you can just position yourself where you want it to start, go to the text, hold it, and just grab it and move it wherever you want to move it. And the same thing you can do with the text file as you can do with other files. You can trim it, you can cut it. Same thing as other files. You tap on it and you get these options down here, what you can do with the text. Okay, next thing we're going to talk about is how to insert the music. There's a very useful website where you can actually get copyrights free music from. You could explore it. It's called Pixabay. On Pixabay you can get very nice music files that you can actually use for your videos. Be careful with the music you're going to use in your video. If it's going to be on social media, you might have problems with some music that will not be accepted because of the copyright issues. So I would strongly suggest you to use the music that is copyrighted, so either it's yours or you have the permission from the author to use it. CapCut has some music files in it by default, and you can also explore that, but you have to know that it will be only allowed to be used on the platforms that are compatible with CapCut. Let's try to add some music. We go down here and we pick audio. When you pick the audio, you get all these options down here. You get the option to pick sounds. So this is the sounds that we were talking about. You can pick some music that you like. First this is the Pro, so don't use the Pro. Let's look for something that doesn't have the mark of the Pro. Let's say this one. Just click on it and you will listen how it sounds like. And if you like it, just go back and press the plus button. It will throw that music down again. You can hold it, you can move it around through the video file wherever you want it to start. And now it's added to the video. This is how it sounds like. Let's say I want to cut it at the beginning a little bit. I want to cut this intro. Again, hold it, move it at the beginning. So now we have the music. Now we want to work on the music. Tap on the music file and go down and select the fade option. Very simple, very user-friendly feature. You can pick the fade. Music can fade in at the beginning and it can also fade out, and you decide for how many seconds. Usually it's around 2 or 3 seconds, but it also depends on the way you're going to use the video for. So this is how it sounds like. It slowly fades in and it will slowly fade out at the end of the video. If we go where it stops, the fade out is also 3.6 seconds. So we chose that. That's the animation. What else can we do with the music? We can go and we can cut it, we can split it the way we can split other videos. We can also choose the volume. Now when you're using the background music, I recommend you to reduce the volume very much. Reduce it to around 10 or even less. And again, use your headphones when you're editing the video so that you can hear how it sounds like. So if I put it to, for example, 9, okay, that's what we do with the volume. What else can we do with the music files? You can change the voice. Again, you play with that. You can delete it. You can speed it up. You can even reduce the noise, and you can copy it, which is a very, very useful thing. Let's say it's too short. The music clip is too short and you just want to copy it again. Now, if you want it to cover, let's say, to make a nice transition between the previous music file, you just want it to continue, just go and cover it somewhere like this, so that the transition between one music and the other one isn't too quiet. But those are already tricks that you can play with later on.